Hello friends, welcome to Coding Hostel YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you program to find smallest element in 2D array in Java. So I have taken a 2D array in which we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 into 3 is 6. So we have total 6 elements in this array and smallest element is 10. So we have to write the program to find the smallest element. So let's write it. So first I will make it 2D array. So int a equal to and braces. In this I will write 45, then 90, then 70 and 20, then 35, then 10. After that I will make a variable for smallest element int s equal to a 0 and 0. After that I will take a for loop for int m equal to 0 and m less than a dot length and m plus plus, and in this loop I will take another for loop for int n equal to 0 and n less than a 0 dot length and n plus plus, and in this for loop I will take if statement if a of m and n is smaller than s, then s equal to a of m and n, and after that we will print our smallest element. So system dot out dot print. In this I will write smallest element equal to s. So let's run this program. So in the output we are getting smallest element equal to 10. So let's see how this program is working. So in this program I have taken a 2D array in which we have 6 elements. So I am writing all the elements here. Also I am writing the indexes of all these elements. So 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 2. After that int s equal to a 0 and 0. So in this as a smallest element variable I have stored the element of this array at index 0 and 0, which is 45. So in this s variable we have element 45. So because we cannot take any random value from ourselves to compare it with the other values in this 2D array, so that's why I have stored the first element of this array in this smallest variable. So now we can compare the values with this value and easily find the smallest element in this 2D array. After that I have taken a for loop for int m equal to 0. So initial position of m is 0. After that m less than a dot length. So here it will check the total number of rows. So in this array we only have 2 rows. So here we have only 2 rows. So m less than 2. So m is 0 and it is less than 2. So our condition is true and we get inside our loop. After that I have taken another loop for int n equal to 0. So initial position of n is 0. After that n less than a 0 dot length. So here it will check the total number of columns in this 2D array. So in this 2D array we have 3 columns. So here I am writing. So n is 0 and it is less than 3. So our condition is true and we get inside our loop. After that I have taken if statement if a of m and n is less than s. So at m and n index which is 0 and 0. So at 0 and 0 we have element 45, and in the s variable we also have element 45. So 45 is not less than 45, it is equal to 45. So this condition is false and this statement will not execute. After that n plus plus, so n will become 1. After that it will again check here that n less than a 0 dot length, so n is 1 and it is less than 3, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. After that we have if statement, so at m and n index, so m is 0 and n is 1, so at 0 and 1 index we have element 90 and in the s variable we have element 45, so 90 is not less than 45, so this condition is false and this statement will not execute. After that n plus plus, so now n will become 2. After that it will again check here that n less than a 0 dot length, so n is 2 and it is less than 3, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. So if a of m and n is less than s, so at m and n which is 0 and 2, so at this index 0 and 2 element is 70 and in the s variable element is 45, so 70 is not less than 45, so our condition is false and this statement will not execute. After that n plus plus, so n will become 3. After that it will again check here that n is less than a 0 dot length, so n is 3 and it is not less than 3 because it is equal to 3, so this condition is false and this loop will break. After that m plus plus, so now m will become 1. After that it will again check here that m is less than a dot length, so m is 1 and it is less than 2, so our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. After that we have again n loop in which n is starting from 0 and it will run up to the value of n up to 2, but now value of m will remain 1 and value of n will go from 0 to 2, so now it will check all the element in the second row and compare it with the variable s. So at index 1 0 element is 20 and it is less than 45, so this condition will become true and it will execute s equal to a of m and n. So in this s variable we will store this element 20, so now in this variable s we have element 20. After that it will check the element at index 1 and 1, so now at 1 and 1 index we have element 35, so 35 is not less than 20, so this condition is false and this statement will not execute. After that at index 1 and 2, so at 1 and 2 we have element 10, so 10 is smaller than 20, so this condition is true and this statement will execute. So in this s variable we will store this element, so now in this s variable we have element 10. After that when the value of n will reach up to 3, this n loop will break, and after that m plus plus, so now m will become 2, so after that it will check here that m is less than a dot length, so 2 is not less than 2, so this condition is also false, so this loop will also break. After that we will print the smallest element, so in the output we will get smallest element equal to 10. So this is how we can write a program to find smallest element in 2D array in Java. Thank you.